I am so excited. We got this package sent to us. See, nondescript. Don't know who it's from.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
We were offered the opportunity to do a review on a fan. Oh my gosh, a fan. You know how Lori is always hot. We were offered to test out this OGERY camping fan, and I am so excited. So let's open up this box and see what all is in here. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. So this OGERY camping fan, an F21 model, has all of these cool things. Adjustable wind speed, multi-angle rotation, adjustable height, 3-level lighting even, and battery display. So it is chock full of features. Pretty nice. We've got some foam. Oh, good grief. Look at this. This is the tripod that it sits on. Ooh, oh, there's something in there. It's heavy. Guess you gotta be smarter. We'll have to look at how you do that. And I'm not sure what's in here. Oh, these are stakes to hold it down, I guess. All kinds of fun stuff. I don't know. And this, dun, 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 is the fan. It's a little book, and here's a charging cord, USB-C, all kinds of cool stuff. All right, let's see here. Take this puppy out of the bag. It has a handle. Ooh, wonder if it oscillates. All right, let's see what this thing says. User manual, very important. All right, lighting lamp. Oh, look, there is a remote. That's awesome. Ta-da. Ta-da. In and out. So I guess you can charge from this thing too. Let's just, okay, we've got this packaging tape right here. Let's take that off. Oh, look at that. Fan speed. Okay. Off, max. Oh, I think it needs to be charged. Oh, no, it says 75%. Right there. Oh, here's a little oscillating button. Check it out. All right, that's on pretty low. Let's stop it oscillating. Okay, starting to figure out a couple things here. Okay, so pushing this in is the on off, and then turning it makes the fan go higher and higher. It's so quiet. Whoa, can you feel it over there? That's nice. Okay, we need to find out. I know this is the oscillating. All right, so the oscillating, you push it once, it's at 30 degrees. Push it again, goes to 60, then 90, and then 120. So it'll turn, that's how far it turns each way. And then to turn it off, you have to hold the button and it stops oscillating. Here is the tripod. It is pretty beefy. Wow. It's gonna have to be. This is a pretty good sized fan. I don't think it sits there very good like that, but the fan tilts and you can set it like this while I figure out this puppy. Alrighty, I'm gonna need to read the directions. They've got all these right here. Use, unfold the base supports. Unfold, so it's like they're pulling this out. Ah, there we go. Just gotta be smarter than the tripod. There. All right. And then this, it screws on onto here. Oh, look, there's also another hook right here. So when we're outside, like in a clam, when we were with friends of ours out camping and they have a clam, we can hang it from up there and have a fan coming down. This would be really handy for when you have like the propane fire pit in there, all the heat goes up to the ceiling, and this could push it all back down onto you. Very nice. All right, so this screws onto there. All right. There we go. Very nice. See, and in the legs there are holes, and I believe that these are tent stakes, or not tent stakes, but stakes. Yep, there are. Says it right there. There's the stakes, and they go in here into the ground. Very cool. All right, now we've got it up here. Let's see what these buttons are for. This right here, I guess that's linked right here. Yeah, oh, it's a clock. Not an L, it's a clock. So you can set the timer for 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. And then this tells you your battery length of time, 25%, 50%, 75%. So it came 75% charged. So that is pretty slick. So it has all those features. Let's figure out the light. That must be this. Oh, woo! All right. So just, oh, brighter, brighter, off. Okay, so there are 3 levels of brightness. 1, 2, 3, and then off. So this light, this will be really handy for when we're doing YouTube videos too. Because I think it's bright enough to add extra light when we need it, and a fan when I need it, and it's super quiet, so it won't interfere with our videos. So this is awesome. I love this. This is going to be sitting by my chair all the time. It's an OGERY camping fan, an F21, and it is pretty amazing. And I believe that, let's see, let's turn this off, that this nighttime mode means it will turn these little lights off. Yep, so that you can have it in your bedroom at night, giving you nice cool breeze without having those blue lights in your face all night long. So this is so slick. Oh my gosh, thank you, OGERY, for sending this to us to review. Right now, I give it 10 thumbs up, and we'll see how long it takes to charge it. We'll drain it all the way down to 0, and then we will get back to you guys to let you know how long it took us to charge it from 0 all the way up. We want something that's going to last long because we boondock primarily. So having something that's battery operated and charges very easily via USB is perfect for the way we live our RV lifestyle and our boondocking frequently. So this is going to be awesome. I'm so excited. Alrighty, something else we have learned about this fan, which is awesome, I think, for us, for our uses. Okay, this goes from like 32 inches, but wait, it goes even higher. Ooh, all the way up, clamp it down, and now it goes up to about 44.5 inches high. So that's awesome. So different levels. So if you want it way up high and oscillating, you could get it circling the whole room. And when you take it off of the tripod, just unscrews. It's on there very sturdy. And then you can use it like on a tabletop, just like this. And this way, if you've got the controls up, you can turn it on, and you can set your timer, and you can turn off the blue lights, and you can even turn on this light if you need to, all from the control on top. Or you can just use this handy dandy remote control that will work at least 16 feet away, or at the most 16 feet away. So up to 16 feet away, you can do this. And it says through walls. We haven't attempted that yet. But there are so many awesome features about this fan. We found something else. You can also charge other devices like your phone. So if you have this battery bank fully charged, you can charge your phone too. It is sturdy, and it also can be rain resistant, water resistant. So if you've got it at your pool or out by the lake, splashes, it can handle. Just don't dunk it in the pool. What else do they say about it? Oh, all the stuff that is included in the box is the charging cord, the remote, the fan, the awesome tripod, and your little instruction book. So all these things are included. And I don't know how much more I can say. It's awesome about it, but I have a new fan. You thought you were my biggest fan. This is my biggest fan right here. Right here. So we, Tom and Lori RV Life, would love to thank OGERY for sending us this OGERY F21 camping fan. We will put the link to this specific fan from their website in the description below of this video. If you have any more questions about it, anything that we might not have covered that you want to know if it does, because it does a lot of stuff, you can put that in the comments below. Thanks, OGERY. See ya.
Take your bed.